Hello, so we're back for the second finger pattern with 1 and 2 against each other. I'm going to slur by every 2 notes except the ones that have rests in between, of course, just like I did the first time when I introduced the low second finger. So throughout this entire finger pattern I will follow the same bowing patterns as well, just to encourage you to keep expanding. Yeah, we're at 16 now, nothing new, just focus on relaxation and intonation. Yeah, good luck. And 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E flat, and F natural, slurring, okay. Now we continue on the G string, G, A, B flat and C. Same bowing pattern, every 2 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow. Onto the D string, D, E, F natural and G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And there you go. Quite short now, that exercise. Lots of new things happening. Enjoy it and repeat it several days in a row. Don't discard things. Always do the few days the same exercise. Not just this exercise, you can do the next exercise as well, or a couple of lines from a piece. But practice this, and every single day try to be better, be more relaxed, have a better straight bow, have better control of bow and string changes. Yeah, all those things. Always challenge yourself, make a small goal and fight for it. That's how you get ahead. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you at 80. Take care, bye.